Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials and beginning remediation now. First, confirm the app and OS versions so you know compatibility. Once done, test connectivity. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular and toggle airplane mode to reset network. Next, go into the app settings and revoke, then re-grant ad-related permissions and background data access. This forces a fresh handshake with the ad server. Finally, force stop the app and clear its cache so stale ad tokens are removed before you continue. You now handle the more technical middle steps to restore ad delivery. First, update the app and any embedded ad SDKs, or uninstall and reinstall the app to fetch the latest ad components. Once updated, open the app and retrigger consent banners and ad preferences so the SDK reinitializes correctly. Then clear the system web view data, and, if the OS offers it, reset the advertising ID to remove mismatched tokens. Make sure to restart the phone to let changes propagate through background services. You finish by verifying ads display reliably and preparing one quick troubleshooting move. Open the app and watch ad placements for consistent loading. Note any error messages or long load times. If available, enable the developer or debug menu to view ad request logs and SDK status codes. This reveals mismatched ID or blocked domains. If the problem persists, gather OS/app versions, screenshots, and logs. Then contact app support or the ad network. This ensures faster resolution with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.